Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this one. Home appliances like microwaves will last longer if they are properly cared for and used. Here are a few service and maintenance guidelines for microwaves that we use on a daily basis to help them last longer. Don't use a microwave with a metallic tool or box, or perhaps an item with metallic trimmings. To prevent fire risk, always try taking the aluminum foil off the foodstuff prior to placing it in the microwave. To avert a fire or explosion, don't ever heat any combustible foods and drinks in the microwave. Any sealed food box, packaged food, or drink item should not be heated. To avoid a detonation, always detach the seal first and then warm the materials. While using the microwave, you need not cover the surface. To prevent a rotting odor, clear the food spillage and spots within the microwave after each usage. Use the product according to the manufacturer's guidelines. The user's guide contains instructions for suggested operating methods as well as safety measures. Water and drinks should not be heated for longer than the company's regulations and guidelines. Cookware made specifically for the microwave oven should be used. Ovens that appear to work when the door is open should not be used. You can call the oven maker if your microwave displays evidence of leaking or damages, or if you anticipate a radiation problem.